Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have a solder gun here. It's a butane powered one here, but I have this is a solder sucker. So I'm going to show you guys what this is here and how it works. So if you get too much soldering somewhere, you need to suck some out. You've got this little ability here. So it looks like, how is this going to work? I think it goes, you've got it like that. So it's there and then you push the button and it pulls it out. So let me see if I do that. So yeah, pulls it out. So let's try this here and see how it works. Let me turn on my little butane torch. On. It is on. Okay. And we're going to try to suck some solder, I guess, off of something here. Oh, it comes with this little tube. Where'd the tube go? Right there. Little silicone tube I can connect up to it to make it, I guess, longer or just extra pieces. But I'm just going to do it right from here. So we will create a solder globe. I don't know if it's, oh yeah, it's already heated up. So there. So we have a solder drip coming down here. I don't know if you can see it on there. Hopefully be able to do it. But then I will go up to my solder ball of solder. And then I can go like this up to it and push the button. Boy, I can do it right in front of me. I gotta change hands, sorry. I have to change hands to do this. Okay. And the way it'll work, you'll go to your solder ball and, oh, well, it fell down there. But it did suck up some, so that's kind of how it works. It's kind of a cool concept there. I guess it would work better if you're on something. This one here, I'm just on the thing. So if I was doing it here, let me try it just on there. Make a ball on the table. So there, I've got a ball. Now I want to suck it up. It's probably work much better here. So there. See, I can suck up solder from that. So pretty cool little device, little solder sucker here. So if you need to suck some solder, there you go. Thumbs up.